Hello student, this is Ajay Gupta and welcome you in chemistry lecture 3rd. Dear student, in previous classes we have studied about the state, state of matter. In this lecture we will learn about the change of state of matter and their causes. The first two causes the change which is changed to the state of the matter. First by changing their temperature and second by changing their pressure. If we increase the temperature, the solid change in the liquid and liquid change in the gas. Why the solid change in liquid and the liquid change in gas? Because the temperature break their particles. So we have know that the intermolecular space or the space between the particles in the solid is very close, and after the increasing of the temperature their particles far away. So solid change in the liquid and liquid change in the gas. If we decrease the temperature, that means in the condition of cooling, when we temperature down, the gas change in the liquid and liquid change in the solid. And next by changing the pressure. Now second cause for the which is changed to the state of the matter is pressure. When you apply when we increase the pressure, the solid gas convert in the liquid, because when we increase the pressure, this is gas, and when we increase the pressure, the gas molecules are compressed. After the increasing of the pressure, their intermolecular spaces is decreased. So gas convert in the liquid and liquid convert in the gas. For example, CO2. When we increase the pressure, the gas of the CO2 convert in the solid, and when we decrease the pressure of CO2, they convert in the gas. Now briefly study in this section melting point. The temperature at which a solid melts to form liquid at atmospheric pressure. The normal pressure. The temperature at which a solid melts to form a liquid is called its melting point. Now next topic, latent heat of fusion. The amount of heat required to change 1 kg solid to its liquid state. The amount of heat required to change 1 kg of solid to its liquid state is known as their latent heat. Now next one, boiling point. The temperature at which a liquid boils to form vapors. At which temperature the liquid start in their boiling and convert in the vapor, that means in a gas form, in a gas. So this temperature is called its a boiling point. For example, the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. At 100 degrees Celsius, water boiled, vaporized. Water vaporized. Next, latent heat of vaporization. The amount of heat required to change 1 kg liquid to its gaseous state is known as their latent heat. Sublimation. the change of solid directly to vapor on heating and vapor into solid on cooling without passing through the liquid state called sublimation. In this process, we have not found any intermediate state, that is liquid. So when we heat any solid, they convert in the gas directly, and when we cooling, the gas convert in the solid. For their examples, camphor, as you know, kapoor, and ammonium chloride, their example. Thank you so much.